Jobman's alerts are messages that are sent in response to events that may require immediate attention. The Alerts feature offers functionality that allows for quicker identification, response, and prioritization of items identified. Select Jobs from the Settings menu. Here is where you will add and define alert statuses and create the different alert types. Alert statuses are used to track progress and identify what stage of the process the alert is at. One status can also be selected as a default. In this example, Reported is the default status set when an alert is created. Alert types are used to identify what the alert is for. In this example, the alert type selected is site damage, which clearly identifies the reason for the alert. There are several ways to create an alert. For Office users, find and select the job in the Jobs tab. Click New and select Job Alert. Select the type of alert and status from the drop-downs. Choose the member to assign to and add the reason and alert details. You must be connected to cloud file storage to upload images, and additional functionality built into alerts includes the ability to create work orders directly from an alert. Alerts will be filed in the Jobs Resources tab, and all alerts are also available from the Job Alerts tab on the User menu panel. Kiosk users can create alerts from the job file or from a task. Find and select the job, click on Alerts and then Create. Add the type from the drop-down menu and enter the details and any other relevant information. Users on a mobile device will be able to take and upload photos directly into the alert. Or open the Task tab in Kiosk mode and select the task. Click Create Alert in the task window, with the rest of the process to create and submit remaining the same. Remember, help is always just a click away on the User menu panel. Simply type your question and search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.